Good morning. It's September 16th, and it's What's New Wednesday again.
We have more new materials to share with you again this week. New materials include Little Bird by Newbery medalist Cynthia Voigt. Little Bird is a juvenile fiction title that follows the frequently helpful but rarely respected Little Bird as she goes on many adventures. All she really wants is to protect her friends on the farm and maybe talk to a squirrel. Ken Follett brings us the prequel to the Pillars of Earth called The Evening and the Morning. Set in England during the Middle Ages, this story follows three people as their lives become intertwined. This epic novel ends where the Pillars of Earth begins and is an exciting new segment of the Kingsbridge series. Chance of a Lifetime by Jude, Deveraux, and Tara Sheets is a love story that twists its way through time. He can remember all their interactions through time, but she cannot. He's still in love, but she is not. Now he is tasked with playing Cupid to her and another man. Can he go through with it? Rage is an in-depth dive into an American presidency by Bob Woodward, one of the journalists behind the Nixon-Watergate investigation. The latest draws from 17 on-the-record interviews. It revisits the early days of the Trump presidency through the 2020 pandemic and other national crises. And last we have Are You Afraid of the Dark? Nickelodeon has brought back the fan favorite kids show, which features an all-new 3-part series of spooky stories involving the dreaded Mr. Top Hat and the Carnival of Doom. Plus 3 classic tales from the original series for those who want their frights a little more old school.
As always, you can get these materials and more in the library on Mondays and Wednesdays, or you can call us or place a hold on our online catalog for curbside pickup on Tuesdays or Thursdays.
We are continuing to hand out take-home activity kits for preschool-age children, approximately 18 months to 5 years old. If you haven't already signed up, you can visit the link on your screen to register for these kits. You can also find the link to those in the description.
We also hand out kits for registered elementary age students, preteens, and teens on the first week of each month, but you must be registered in advance to pick up these kits, so don't forget to visit the link and sign up.
We also hand out activity kits for adults this fall. Contents will be a surprise, so you won't find out what you're getting until you get your kit and open it up. The first batch of these kits were going out this week, but we'll have additional kits in October and November if you missed it. A limited number of kits are available, so like the children's kits, you must sign up for these in advance. Follow us on social media to find out how and when registration will open this October and November for those giveaways.
If you watch our updates this week, you already know that September is Library Card Sign-Up Month, and we will have prize giveaways at the end of the month, so anyone who has gotten a new card or renewed an existing card in September is automatically entered into those giveaways. So if you don't have a card or if you haven't visited us for a while, make sure you take care of that in the next 2 weeks.
That's all we have for this week. Thanks for watching today's What's New Wednesday. Have a great week.